global.
Well, after overnight thunderstorms brought some torrential rain and woke quite a few of you up, I'm sure, it is back to sunshine and still very high humidity levels around the city, and that poses a risk of more storms developing as the afternoon progresses, and that's what we're thinking now, especially around the GTA. Those storms will fire up. We have some activity up to the north along a cold front, and it's that front that is sagging south slowly, but it's happening, and already there's a change. Sudbury 21, it's only 13 in Sault Ste. Marie, but we still have a humidex in the upper 30s, and several locations will top 40. We're already there in Montreal, where yesterday was just 44 with the humidex. Incredible stuff. Same thing for Ottawa. So that heat warning still around, but the northern extent has been chopped off as that front starts to make some progress, and it will activate those thunderstorms with the heating of the day. So mid to late afternoon, that's when we're expecting those storms to really start to develop. There may be some severe thunderstorm watches for Ontario. Right now, the only one we have is from Montreal through the eastern townships. Here too, thunderstorms just starting to develop in all of this hot and humid air that will slowly dissipate over the coming days. Your weekend forecast ahead. The heat and humidity continue, although not quite at the extent we had yesterday. The temperature's a bit lower. The humidex also about 2 to 3 degrees lower, the field temperature, compared to what we had yesterday. 30 this afternoon, possibly 31, humidex near 40, and then it quickly cools down as we are anticipating some rather large thunderstorms to develop. Mid-afternoon to around dinner time around the GTA, they will have heavy rain, and already some reports from last night of 20 to 50 millimeters of rain because of another round of storms. So there's been no shortage in activity. There's also been no shortage of heat under this heat dome. Halifax already up to 30, 28 in St. John's, Newfoundland, same temperature in Quebec City, and still much cooler out west, although things are going to change there. It's going to warm back up close to seasonal or even a little bit above for Western Canada. Our heat is being squashed by this cold front that is starting to sink down to the south. Already a big change up across Timmins, Sault Ste. Marie, Sudbury, North Bay. No more heat warning. It is still in place for areas further south, and that is where we have that risk of thunderstorms. Now, they're going to fire up with the daytime heating. Mid-afternoon, they will diminish some overnight tonight, so just partly cloudy skies, and that's how we start the day tomorrow. It's still warm. There's still some humidity around, but it's another step down, and there is also that threat of Friday afternoon storms, and then we're going to see another round of strong rain-making storms on Saturday as well. So some big changes in the forecast. 28 degrees, feeling like 37 in Toronto for Friday, and then 227s for Saturday and Sunday with that threat of storms. Beautiful weather lasting through next week. Next week should be just fantastic as we get set for Canada Day. Now we have Saint Jean-Baptiste coming up. 22 with some rain on Monday. Thunderstorm activity on Sunday. Humidity should be much lower by Friday in Montreal. 28 Tuesday, and then a risk of storms on Wednesday. And that's a check on your forecast. Candace?
Okay, thanks so much, Anthony.
Officially arrived, even though it's felt like that for several days now, and some active weather moving through the region this hour. Let's get the latest on that in Bill's first look at the local forecast. Good evening, Bill.
Hi, Bill. Yeah, I've got the umbrella handy. Over the next couple hours, some thunderstorms will be racing through. Some severe weather is potentially headed our way. It does look as if we're under 2 or 3 alerts right now. We've got a severe thunderstorm warning, which will probably last for the next couple hours. Severe thunderstorm watch, which they're going to hang on to for most of the night, because even after that severe line of thunderstorms moves through, there's still a lot of instability on the surface. All it's going to take is that cool air of the night to settle in on this warm, moist surface to trigger another band of showers and severe thunderstorms. We did reach summer this afternoon at about 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, and yes, Mother Nature was ahead of schedule. schedule with this heat dome. We'll likely find it let up a bit as the chance of showers and thunderstorms come our way in an even bigger way over the weekend. Some real relief on the way. I'll have the details for you with your full forecast in just a moment.
First Weather by Aubin Windows and Doors. For premium products, award-winning service, and professional installations, visit aubin.com.
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 five-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
As the hot, hazy, humid conditions continue across the region, everybody trying all kinds of ways to relieve themselves from this awful heat dome that we're experiencing right now. We will find a change, but you won't find it like a light switch going on and off, more like a dimmer. Every time we get a little splash of showers and thunderstorms, we get a little bit of relief. By Monday, however, as we roll through some wet weather on the weekend, we see those temperatures and humidity drop significantly. So as we roll into the work week next week, you're going to see a big difference in the air mass. Temperatures not really plummeting, but that humidity, we're going to lose that. 26 degrees in Kingston today for a high, and you want to bet it felt like the low to mid 30s in most spots across eastern Ontario where it hit 30 in Smiths Falls. It was feeling more like a 39, yeah, nearly 40. Everybody looking at near 30 Celsius and feeling like near 40. In some places it was about a 41, 42. 23 is where we're sitting now, feeling like 31. Getting a little break in the cloud. There's a little bit of a drizzle or shower. We're not ruling out the chance of showers and thunderstorms, but I think that they're starting to lift some of the warnings in our area. About 8 millimeters of rain overnight. We've been getting that. As you see these hot, hazy, humid conditions, lots of instability on the surface. All it takes is the cool of the night to roll in, and then all of a sudden you get those showers and thunderstorms overnight. 30 to 40% probability is what we've been calling over the last couple nights, and that's kind of what we're seeing again tonight. That chance of showers and thunderstorms there, not just because of the pop-up effect that you get due to instability, but also because we are seeing a cold front that's pushing through. It's pushing through now, and that's why we're seeing that little bit of drizzle. Not everybody gets the showers and thunderstorms, but we are going to see some active weather over the next couple hours, hoping to see the severe nonsense out of the way and get into some partial clearing again tomorrow. But as the day progresses, you see that daytime heating sort of adding to that probability of showers and thunderstorms later in the day tomorrow. We're looking at more as we see a line of small depressions leading along this stationary front. It'll become a little more organized over Saturday, and then you're looking at some real wet weather over the weekend. Saturday, not just Saturday either. So this is where we are here, and this is why we're seeing that little bit of a shower. Showers, thunderstorms, and the potential for severe weather is going to move through very quickly, and then overnight it's partly cloudy, not bad at all. Through the afternoon, though, we'll start to see the building of the daytime heating convection. And in cottage country, you'll see it first and a more severe probability of showers and thunderstorms. But we do have that probability tomorrow, about 40% through the evening. Saturday, it really picks up. And then showers, possibly some severe weather again through the late afternoon, through the early morning, actually. And then a little break through the afternoon. And then we get back to it again through the evening. And if you think that's it, no, more coming in as we see another low dropping in time for Sunday. So it looks like a very wet weekend. However, it will bring us some relief as we roll into the work week. And yes, it looks like the warnings have been dropped for the Kingston area, but to the east, there's still some watches and warnings present. This will track through, and it's not to say that you won't see them pop back up in our immediate area either. 27 for a high in Belleville, mix of sun and cloud, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, redeveloping late tomorrow at about 40%. Saturday, a high 24 and showers at 70% probability. Belleville, you're looking at cloud showers and a risk of thunderstorms on Sunday too, with a high of about 24. Brockville up to 25 tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud. That chance of showers back in by the late afternoon, early evening. Saturday, a high 21 and a good chance of showers. Sunday, it's a good chance of showers and a risk of thunderstorms back up to a 24. Smiths Falls 24 for a high tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud. A chance of showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon. Saturday, 19 for a high as we see cloud and showers. For Sunday, back up to 24 Celsius with a good chance of showers and a risk of thunderstorms. Kingston, your forecast, a high of 27 tomorrow. The chance of showers and thunderstorms slows down in the morning, but we see it beef back up in the afternoon. Saturday showers, a high 22. For Sunday, up to 23. The chance of showers and thunderstorms quite prevalent again, a high probability. For Monday, though, we see some relief. That probability of showers ending in the morning, partial clearing through the day, and we're going to get into a drier air mass out of the northwest. That's going to be a little more comfortable. Though we're up to seasonal highs, Tuesday up to 24, it's not going to be a big point spread between the temperature and humidex values. Wednesday up to 24 as we see the chance of showers and thunderstorms rolling through again in a small way. And then Friday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 20. Now your weather wallpaper. Objects in mirror may be grumpier than they appear. Here we have an American goldfinch fighting with itself in the side view mirror of Tina Carson's vehicle. She was parked in the parking lot at the Pittsburgh Township Library. And this American goldfinch just decided to pick a fight with himself in her side view mirror. Interesting. You think you've seen it all, and then, yeah.
Yeah, well, the goldfinch did not like its reflection or thought it was some competitor, I guess.
Yes. Territory.
Yes. So, Bill, summer arriving today, even though it's been feeling like that for several days now. And then next week, then, it's some relief, right?
Yeah, it comes back down. You want to bet, though, it's early in the season. We'll probably see more of these little mini heat waves. And I don't know if we'll see anything quite as severe as this 5-day heat dome. But there's always potential for that. Like I said, this season is still young.
You're right. Okay, 10-day outlook coming up later. Thank you, Bill. 10-day outlook that takes us right to the end of June.
Yes, and temperatures and humidity are going to improve. Still hot and sticky. We're under that heat dome, and so heat warnings are in place. Severe thunderstorm watches for the region as well. The warnings have passed. We are looking at that chance of showers and thunderstorms again tomorrow afternoon. Looks like showers over Saturday and Sunday are really going to help to bring those temperatures down. As we roll into the work week, the humidity improves as well. Up to 24 over Tuesday and Wednesday as we enjoy some sunshine, but the chance of showers moves back in Wednesday afternoon. Out of the way for Thursday with a high of 20. Yes, much lower temperatures and more comfortable too. Lower humidity, a mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny for Friday. Another mix of sun and cloud Saturday of next week, but that chance of showers will be returning at 40% probability next Sunday.
Well, next Sunday is the long weekend.
Yes.
So hopefully that will be nice for most of it anyway. We'll be right back.
Your long-range
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas of Eastern Ontario, with lifetime guarantees on brakes, suspension, exhaust, and now on tires. Come and experience the Midas difference.
Excessive heat warning still in place and severe thunderstorm watches still in place. The warnings have moved out of the way for the Eastern Ontario, the immediate area in Kingston now, but still hanging on to a watch. Severe weather rolled through earlier this evening, but we're not ruling out it cropping back up again tonight. 26 for a high in Kingston, feeling about 8 or 9 degrees warmer than that today. I think everybody near 30 degrees and feeling like they're in the mid to high 30s, nearly 40 in some places. 19 for a low tonight, feeling like 31 as that chance of showers and thunderstorms continues. For tomorrow, 27, feeling like a 35, mostly cloudy conditions and a very high UV index as well. And those alerts are still there. When will they lift? When will we see some relief? We'll find out in just a few minutes with your full forecast.
The warehouse is overstocked to prepare for the biggest discount.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Cold front pushed through tonight, and that brought us some showers and thunderstorms, some severe weather across parts of eastern Ontario. We're dropping the warnings, but still hanging on to a bit of a watch as that continues to trough, that cooler air. it might bring a little bit of relief, bringing temperatures and humidity down a little bit as highs out of the north try to bust in and bring you some sunny periods. But we've got this stationary front and a small line of depressions that are sort of developing along it. And this is what's bringing in that probability of active weather, along with daytime heating. That convection builds through the day. Then the cool air of night rolls in over top of it, and then you get those late day overnight showers and thunderstorms. That trend will continue. More so Saturdays. We see another low pushing through, and that could last right through your whole weekend. Could be a wet weekend, but the nice thing is temperatures will drop, and so will humidity as we roll into the work week. Belleville, you've got a high 27 tomorrow. Mix of sun and cloud, 40% chance of showers. Turns to a probability of showers and thunderstorms at a higher probability tomorrow night. Saturday, a high 24. Definitely looking at some showers. That probability continues Sunday with a risk of thunderstorms as well. Brockville up to 26 with a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. That chance of showers creeping in later in the day. Saturday, a high 21, 60% chance of showers, 80% probability Sunday, and back up to a 25. Smiths Falls, you'll rise to 24 tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. Late day showers and thunderstorms, probability growing overnight. Showers for Saturday with only a high of 19, back up to a 24 Sunday as the chance of showers and thunderstorms returns. Kingston, your forecast, a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow with a chance of showers late in the day. That could come with some thunderstorms. And for Saturday, definitely looking at showers, a high 22. We rise to 24 on Sunday as the chance of showers and light rain continues. And we get out from under the heat warnings come Monday, a high 22, mix of sun and cloud. Still a chance of showers in the morning, but yeah, things are looking a little better through the afternoon. Tuesday, mainly sunny, a high 25. You hit 24 Wednesday as the chance of showers and thunderstorms returns. And then Thursday, just a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 21.